China's National Health Commission announced on Thursday that the total number of deaths caused by the coronavirus has reached at least 563, and that more than 28,000 people have tested positive for the virus. This comes after 73 deaths and almost 3,700 cases were reported throughout the country on Thursday. A majority of the cases and deaths were confirmed in Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak. Across China, more than 3,800 patients are in critical condition, meaning that the number of deaths could drastically increase over the coming days. In efforts to prevent the further spread of the virus, China continues to lock down its cities. China's eastern province of Zhejiang, the second worst hit by the coronavirus in mainland China, announced Thursday that they have enacted an emergency lockdown of Yuchang City since 6 p.m. on Tuesday. This is the first time a city outside Hubei province has been placed under a complete lockdown. Trains are not allowed to stop at the city stations to board or drop off passengers. Roads have been blocked to prevent anyone from leaving the city, only allowing aid or vehicles carrying patients to pass through. Japan, the country with most coronavirus cases after China, now has 45 virus cases. The 10 newly confirmed cases were people who had been aboard a quarantine cruise ship that is now docked at Yokohama. That adds up to a total of 20 cruise passengers who tested positive. About 3,700 people on the same cruise will be quarantined for at least 2 weeks on the ship, while the confirmed patients were moved out to medical facilities on Wednesday. Singapore has 28 confirmed patients, followed by Thailand with 25. Other newly confirmed cases were also reported in South Korea, Hong Kong, Australia, Malaysia, US, and the Philippines. 2 patients in Italy, 1 in France, and 1 in Thailand are known to be in critical condition. Hong Yu, Arirang News.